Yo, what else? Yo, what is up, guys? Dat.4door.skyline here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to most expensive car crash compilation. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Oh, I've seen this. Yeah, fucking hell, right off the cliff, and it catches on fire later. It sucks that it doesn't show it. I've seen this one also. Straight away, all that room and just spins out right into a lake or like a little pond. It wasn't deep though. Yeah, it's not that deep. Still fucking sucks, but I have not seen this one yet. Oh, fucking hell. Good lord. That's not too bad. Again, not that bad. Holy shit. Damn. I think the most of you guys like curb rash on that one. Oh yeah, I remember this. Isn't this like that was the most expensive car crash ever? What was that, a Supra? No, GTR? I don't know what the hell that is. It's so damn blurry. Oh man, dude, you're lucky that guardrail saved you. If that guardrail, that could have ended terribly. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? What? No, why are they doing that? I need to know the story behind this one of why. Why is that being crushed? Some rich dude's like, you know what? I'm tired of it. You know, I'm just over it. Oh, that hurts. Why? Is it like a prototype or? No, it's not a prototype. There's liquids. What's the background story on this? Is it like, is it illegally? I get it, like if it's illegally imported or legally owned, because they have to technically do that. Oh yeah, I've seen this one too. Bam. Could've got a lot worse. Oh wait, is that the aftermath? No. The fuck is this video? Is this just like, I don't know if that was like the after. I don't think that was the aftermath. There's no way. Holy crap. So the thing is with like these style cars, the engines are usually typically in the back. So I mean, at least the good part's still there, you know? Yeah, the front end's all messed up, but ooh. God, man, that is clean. Yeah, that's all for style, I mean. That's an interesting style hat that dude has, like. Damn. Oh, he knocked off what do they call them again? The, oh crap. Oh no, I thought it was like the, no, wrong thing. Oh, they're not. Oh, I thought they were off-roading for a minute. That caught me off. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, man. Why? Why are you crossing that? Like, just go to a hotel or something. He called it though. The guy in that car said he has no idea what he's doing. Like I said, I feel like a lot of people don't, like, especially going to a tracks, you should be able to sign a paper and have at least some like background history. Ooh. That's not too bad.